Let's make some cute school bus treat cups, perfect for back to school. I am Katie, the Crafty Blog Stalker, and if you're new to my videos, make sure to subscribe, and you can even ring that bell to make sure that you don't miss out on any of my upcoming craft tutorial videos. The supplies that we're going to need are some cardstock, black, red, yellow, and white, and for the most part, I'm just using scraps of cardstock. And then we've got these little shaker domes. These are from SVG, and I got these from Amazon. I will have the complete list of all the supplies used with links in the description of this video or in the blog post, so make sure to check those out. I've got a double-sided tape runner. Of course, some fun candy, and I love this candy because there are little smiley faces, and hopefully you can see that. So all the little smiling children in the bus. And I've already uploaded the free SVG into my Cricut Design Space, so that is ready to cut. Once you have uploaded the file into Cricut Design Space, do not change the size of the file. I have it sized to fit perfectly around those SVG treat cups. I'm loading my mat with my first layer, which is the white. And then I'm going to let Cricut do all of the work. Then I'll cut my black layer, my yellow layer, and our red layer. Here are all of our cutout pieces, and this is our little treat cup here. And we're just going to start assembling and gluing the pieces together. I'm going to start with the red pieces, and this long piece goes on top like that. So I'm going to put some glue or some tape runner there in the middle. And put that on there, making sure that no red is sticking out from the back. Okay, so we can see the lights there. And then we also need some lights on the bottom. Just a little bit of glue. There we go. Same on the other side. Okay, and there we have our lights. And now we're going to layer our yellow pieces on top of the black. I'm just going to center, or align rather, those pieces together. And it's coming together. Look at how cute. And then we have our top piece. Then we're going to line this up. We want black around the window, but not around the top. So it's really easiest just to line it up from the top and go down. Okay, it's so cute. Now if you wanted to, you could keep the little yellow O's for the school, but that's just tiny pieces and I don't like tiny pieces. So I'm just leaving it like it is. Let's glue this down except for that top part of the hood. We aren't going to glue the top part of the hood because we're going to slide that treat cup. Okay, so we're going to line this up. Now I love that these little sweet tart candies are double-sided, so it really doesn't matter what direction they're facing. You're going to be able to see those cute little smiling faces. Just a few more. Make sure that they can all lay flat. Okay, that one's too much. Okay, now we're going to take off this little adhesive ring around the outside of it. So we're going to center this on our treat cup, or I mean on our bust background, kind of tucking it in underneath that lip of the hood. So the hood goes right up against although we want it more centered. This is easier to do if you aren't trying to show a camera. Get all those little cute, smiley, happy faces in there. And then we're just going to press around the edges of that cup to stick down that adhesive that's on the cup already. Look at those little smiley faces. And then we have our top of our bus. And that looks really good. So now we're going to glue this on. Whoop. I'm going to put that over the cup. And press it down. And there is our cute little treat cup. Perfect for back to school, end of school, give to students or teachers, put in their lunchbox. That is just so cute. And then if you wanted to, you could even write a little message on the back. Make sure to visit my website, thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks, everybody. Bye, and happy crafting!